Hi, welcome to the King of the Grill. It's Sunday, July 12th, 2026, and here we are to start a new pit boss, and we're gonna make barbecued ribs. Good. Thank you, and have a great day. But remember, this is the barbecue area, not the outside. Thank you, and have a great day.